Hello guys and girls, boom, welcome back. We're continuing the 10p coin hunt and we're looking for the A to Zs in 2018s and 19s. We're going anti-clockwise around the mat and we're looking for NIFC years as well, 2018 and 2019. And of course anything else that seems to find its way into our coins. We find all sorts, so but we ain't complaining. So it adds to the mystery, adds to the interest. Dum, dum. There we go. I'll have to start stacking the other side already. I know. I hate 10p's. Bagging up 10p's. Oh, that one's just escaped and it's only a part of a shield, so that's alright. Yeah, bagging up 10p's. Oh, not a good one. No. I try to keep myself organised and that doesn't work for very long. So it's better just to, pile them up around me and bag up at the end. It's one lot of pain then. There we are. Come on then. Let's be having you. Yay. Oi. Look at that. 10p. No. This is a partridge. Where's the partridge from? It looks like a partridge anyway. Oh, that's Gibraltar, 2015. Have you seen that one before? Oh, nice. 10p from Gib, 2015. That's a cracking find. Yes, nice. Whew. Lovely, jubbly. Like it. Yay. What I've done at the moment is I buy what I can call shoe boxes, but they're storage boxes, fancy storage boxes, and I put each territory, province, whatever, I put them all in separate boxes, in separate shoe boxes, and then when I get enough coins I'll sort them out and put them into an album or a date run or something. Yeah. There we are. Okay, here we go. I was going to share with you at some point, a little way back, Mr. T has made a couple of rings from old non-circulating coins, and it turned out quite well. Yeah, very nice, yeah. He did, and there we go. If he, well, he's got a few things on at the moment, but if he makes any more, I'll share them with you. But he made them as gifts so far, so 10p. And there we are. Okay. Righty-ho. Quick looky-loo for those clad American quarters. The later ones I haven't got. I've got the album full up of, goes up to 2008 or 9, I think, for the USA state quarters. But I'm not sure about the park quarters. And then there are several other series. There's, I think it's America the Beautiful, the Women's Series. I was only looking at it the other day. I had them all, mind you, I've got it all written down somewhere, but when I do a bit of a world coin or even a USA separate video, I shall give you all the stats on that and the facts that I've managed to dig up. There we go. Whew. No, nothing in that one. Come on. There we go. Yep. Nice and tidy. There we are. Okie doke. Just a few left out of this bag. And we're still halfway through yet, so as you can see, I'm flipping through quite fast to keep the bite size going. I'm hoping that if I find an NIFC, it will jump out at me, which is what usually happens with coins. Righty-ho. See what we've got in here. Anything different? Alrighty. Wow. That was a 10p. I thought it was a 5p for a minute. There we go. Apologies for any noise or bangs you can hear, guys and girls. It's just the doors going. Yeah. Anything in there? No, doesn't look like it, does there? Oh, last bag in this part. Oh, that's that first coin in there. Looks a little bit different, but and that one there. What's this first one? Oh, it's 10p, just a little bit rounded. Okay. Just empty those out, otherwise I'm going to end up with them all over the place. No, that was what that other one was at the other end. A bit of a worn 10p. There we go. Anything in there? Nope. Well, not the camera. You're on the tilt. Don't know. Might have just worked loose. There we are. Just tilt your head. Ah, there. Right, this is coming to the end of this bag now, and this is the end of this part. So hopefully you had your guesses in at the beginning, and not the beginning of this video, the part one. It will say part one at the beginning. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care until then. Bye bye.